This is something that you need to put in your hearts. I want you to remember and think of the difficulties of Muslims in other places, the sufferings of Muslims in so many other places. The trials and tribulations they're going through. I don't want to mention any name of any countries, there's so many of them, but you know, so many Muslims have been expelled from their homes, from their countries, living in tents and shacks. Sometimes it is difficult for me to look at these pictures. In the winter time, you see a mother in a tent with her young children crying. Difficult to look at, let alone go through that sacrifice. Millions of Muslims facing difficulties. Almost every day you see Muslims in dingy small boats, drowning many of them in the Mediterranean Sea, wanting a better life for themselves and their children, their family. That's all they want. I want you to think about this and then think about the blessings Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given to each and every one of us. That we live here in Canada and we have so many blessings from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For most people, we don't think about dinner tonight. We just assume it's there. We don't think about where we'll sleep tonight. We have a home. We have a roof above our head. Many are the great blessings that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given to us.